Alrighty, boys, welcome back. My name is Thailand, and today I want to share with you what I'm doing to get jacked faster than 90% of people completely naturally. The true brutal reality, or the most hopeful reality of the world, is your dream physique and all the results and the rewards associated with having an aesthetic and dream physique. The compliments, the dating, the attraction, the sex, right? Everything that's associated with that is behind a thin wall of principles. That's all it is. It's all about staying consistent and progressively overloading and dialing in your nutrition and getting enough sleep. You do those core principles over enough time and you do it consistently enough, you will get to that desired physique in X amount of time. It's just bound to happen. It's the way it works, okay? You punch the wall 100 times, you're bound to punch a hole through that wall and probably hurt your hand in the process. It is just a principle. It's a law, okay? But there are things we can do to get there faster and get there faster completely naturally. So I'll share it with you in this video, but one thing that absolutely pisses me off about myself and the reason I started this journey is I've missed out on so much fucking progress. I'm going to put this up here. This is my physique over the past 2 years, and I started lifting in 2017. That was my first time going to the gym. And look at my physique, guys. It's pretty much been the exact fucking same. I've lost on years of progress because of discipline, accountability, because of self-limiting beliefs and excuses and drugs and video games and entertainment and frying my dopamine receptors. It was bad. And so the biggest reason this channel actually exists and the reason I want to help you is to prevent this. Because I'm going to be 24 and I missed out on years of having a decent physique. Again, I started lifting when I was in 2017. Must have been like 16, 18 years old, man. But yeah. I never actually had a plan, and nor was this ever my priority. I love this image. This is a Oblivion NPC image, and what I'm implying is when you don't have a plan, you're an absolute bot. And that's the reason. If you don't know what to do, you will not make progress. It's as simple as that. So I didn't know what to do when I got to the gym, so I made no progress. I had a decent idea and you had the principles, right? Go intense. But the thing was, I got confused 20 minutes into my lifting session. I had no idea what to do next. I got overwhelmed and I'm like, well, I guess my workout's done. Let's go home. If you do not have a plan, you are an absolute Oblivion NPC. So you will always fall off if you don't have a plan, okay? You should be making, and I should have done this as well, building a great physique your sole priority a long time ago. To stay consistent and completely transform your physique and mine in 2026, we need a few things. A system that makes going to the gym piss easy, physically and mentally. The gym is close. It's somewhere we can get to fast. It's something we do first thing in the morning, and mentally. No excuses, no resistance. It's easy. We go to the gym before we even scroll on our phones. We need a clear workout program. That is non-negotiable. Even if it's just on paper, you write down 3 dumbbell curls, 3 this, 3 this. You need to have something where even on your worst fucking day, you can go to the gym, lift this piece of paper and just follow it to the best of your ability. You can shut your brain off and follow this line of code and execute. That's why we need it, guys. You need the principles of progressive overload, and you need to track your weight. Core principles to drive muscle growth faster, and a system that makes nutrition easy without tracking. I'm not going to go into each and every one of these in depth. I will brush over these quickly. I am currently creating full guides and videos on these topics completely for free, but you can actually work with me one-to-one if you want help with that as well. It's first and second link in the description, guys. The system that makes the gym easy. So I've made the gym the #1 priority in my life, and therefore it gets treated that way. And if it's the #1 priority, you bet I'm going to make some fast results, and that's what I want for you. By the end of this video, I want you to know and have the core principles and foundations for you to build a jacked physique fast as possible so that you can get to your dream results fast as possible. Okay, so that you can start getting compliments, you can start getting attraction, you can start finally getting reciprocation from the women that you're interested in, and blow up your dating and sex life. But in general, this also goes into your energy levels, your self-identity. It's a whole thing, guys. Make this your first priority and only priority. What this looks like, if it is your first priority, is you wake up, you've already prepared for the gym the night before, and you go to the gym. There is no other things. There is no wake up and go to the shops. There is no wake up and do a bit of content or do this and do that. No, wake up, get your shit, go to the gym. If you need to do morning habits, do them quickly or do them before, like at the gym cafe, at a cafe near the gym, after the gym, during your sets. That's where you do your morning habits. We need this done first thing out of the way ASAP in the morning, because the later on you delay it, the harder it gets. It needs to be as efficient and as easy as possible. You need to go from eyes open to outside in the gym as fast as possible. That's what I've been doing for the past few days. The core principles of growth: work out intensely, progressive overload, go till failure. What the fuck do these actually mean? Well, here are the specifics. 6 to 8 sets per muscle. Okay, that's working out intensely, that's volume. When you hit 6 sets for chest in 1 week, you will build muscle. By sheer volume, it will happen. If you go 2 to 3 sets in reserve, reps in reserve, what that means is you're lifting, right? You're doing your presses, and it starts to hurt. And when it starts to really burn, you think to yourself, man, I could probably do 2 or 3 more reps until I probably hurt myself, until I literally like drop the bar. That's when you stop. 3 to 4 minutes rest. I do around 2 minutes because I like to be fast, efficient. And honestly, I think it's more fun when you're like barely recovered and you're going back at it. I just find it more fun and more like, Urgh. But 3 to 4 minutes rest is the principle for building muscle. Why? Because you can fully recover and hit the next rep or the set that you're about to do with full energy. That's why. Workouts planned. Your workouts need to be absolutely planned. You must know exactly what to do when you get to the gym. Otherwise, you will fuck up your workouts. And a fucked up workout is not ideal to grow. Track progress. This is what we need to do if we want to know whether we are growing every single week. The way you can do this is track your sets per muscle per week. Track your weight every single day. Take a photo of yourself and a video of yourself every single day. And track how much you lift per exercise every single time that you do. Nasal breathing. Super key for recovery and for getting into the zone and building that mind-muscle connection. It's just another principle. Drop sets and supersets. These will intensify the fuck out of your workouts. Mind-muscle connection sharp. Something you need to focus on. And aim for 5 to 6 reps before it gets hard. So what I mean is 2 to 3 sets and reps in reserve can be achieved if, let's say, you're benching 100 kilos, but in the 3rd rep, it starts to get hard. I don't really work out that way. I get to around 5 to 6 reps before it starts to burn. And then it's usually another 4 to 5 sets until like I literally cannot physically like do 1 or 2 more without the risk of, hurting myself. So that's where that rep in reserve comes in. Remember these when working out. These are the specifics I follow. These are my core principles of growth. I'm just getting back into the gym. Honestly, long story short, for most of my life, I've been unfocused, focusing on freedom and then girls and then business and then travel and then girls and then money and then I'm lonely and depressed and this. I've been all over the place. I've had enough. I'm here to build my dream physique and so are you. So that's what I'm doing right now. Here's a bonus. How I eat without tracking calories or macros. I eat like a normal ancestral human being. I eat 2 meals or 2 portions, 1 meal, 2 portions, or 2 meals, 1 portion each of whatever you see on this image, okay? Let's start with this left image. On the left here, we have 300 grams of beef mince, 3 eggs, and some carbs and fat. This here alone is around about 60 grams of protein. I think a bit more. Here, similar. It's around 60 to 70 grams of protein. Here, exactly the same, 60 to 70. Here, exactly the same, 60 to 70. Do you see the shape? Do you see the portions? Do you see how much this is taking up the plate? Do you see the plate and how it's organized? I've always got meat, I've always got eggs, and I've always got fat. Very important. This is how you can live and eat forever without ever tracking calories or macros. You eat 2 of these per day or have 1 plate but double the portion size, you are getting around about 180 grams of protein straight. By the way, just from eating this alone in the day. You're going to be out there, you probably had a smoothie in the morning, you might have a smoothie bowl, and then you might get a shake, you might have already had 4 coffees, you probably had a bit of snacks, some cheese, some meat here and there already up until this point. So you'll be looking around 250, 300 grams of protein really if you eat like clean like this. If you want specifics, take a screenshot right now. I'm not even going to go into this. This is something I counted from 1 day of eating. So I think it was 2 days ago. I just thought to myself, okay, exactly what the fuck did I eat yesterday? I wrote everything down with estimates, and then I ran it through ChatGPT, and this is what it put out. 5,700 kilocalories, 300 grams of fucking protein, 300 grams of fat, and almost 300 grams of carbohydrates. You might be thinking, yo, isn't that a bit too much? No, I've been eating this way for the past 2 years, and I'm lean. Like, I'm lean, guys. It's not a problem at all. Trust me. Your body was designed to eat this way. And if you eat this way, your body will recognize it and will not fight against it and will not put on fat. I promise you. Okay? Guarantee. Like, this is a guarantee. If I'm wrong, man, put me on the guillotine. But I guarantee you, you eat this way, you will never ever have a problem with weight ever again. Or energy ever again. That was the whole specific things. I made videos about this topic in a deeper guide. So if you want to know exactly what to watch, watch these 2 videos right here. Lifestyle habits are key outside of the gym because we only go to the gym maybe 2 hours a day for hypertrophy, muscle growth, strength, whatever. How you spend the rest of your time outside of the gym will determine how fast you get jacked. That does not include going out and drinking alcohol every night and going out and eating fast food and sleeping late and playing video games and not optimizing your sleep, guys. Very important. So rest, cardio, metabolism, gut health, hormones. These are all keys as well. My protocol is this, very simply. And again, I will do a whole video about this, lifestyle habits and whatnot, because it's very important, guys. You know, we talk about getting attractive, getting lean, getting fit, whatever. But think about, I'll give you one example. Think about how much easier all of that would be to do if you optimized and completely healed your gut, because healing your gut heals the gut and brain connection, which therefore heals your mental health. And if you have good high levels of mental health, like great mental health, then aren't you more likely to get jacked faster and build a physique faster? It's a holistic system. It's not one solution that fixes everything. It's multiple solutions that we put into one system where we just press execute on that system and we fire and forget. My protocol, 10K steps per day, fasting in the morning, eating clean 95% of the day, sunlight maxing, and respecting my nighttime sleep. So blue light glasses, winding down, all that good stuff. Okay, boys? That brings us to the end. Subscribe to see related videos. I want to help you get to your desired dream physique as fast as possible, as healthy as possible, so that you can get the desired results. And what are the desired results? What are the rewards of building a beautiful physique? Women, attraction, love, self-confidence, self-love, image, self-image, right? All of these. And I want that for you as fast as possible and for me as fast as possible. So if you want to work one-to-one with me, go to the links in the description, check them out. If you prefer to do it yourself through a course, whatnot, first link in the description. But I would absolutely love to work with you and get you to that desired goal that you have in life. Let's fucking go, boys. I'll see you on the next time.